three, four. You say you stand by your man. You tell me something I don't understand. You said you love me, and that's a fact. And then you left me. Said
Well, it's finally done. All the roof's felted, doors on. Around the side I've got a couple of windows. Just want a little bit of beading around where the glass goes. It's all tacked in, or should I say panel pinned and puttied. So we'll open the door, and I just hope that it's going to be big enough. Got plenty of the electrical points. All my wood stored up, or not all of my wood, but a lot of the dressed timber is there. So a nice view of the fence, what one's painting. Just hope it's not going to be too noisy for my neighbour. Hopefully everything should be okay. But the measurements are 3 metres internal by 2.8. So yes, a lot of hard work. So I've just got the flags down at the floor. Hopefully that should be okay. So it'll have to be okay. Now today we're going to move all my tools in, so I'll take another video at the end of the day when it's all filled up. Well, I finally moved all my equipment in, so I think hopefully it's just going to be getting used to working in a tighter area. As you can see, I've got my sharpening system here. It's not ideal, but it'll do. Followed by my bandsaw there. Managed to get ready for sanding. So the Camvax there, Vortex is there. Planer, I'm going to just have to take it outside and use it there. I've got my router table there, and followed by my chop saw and my table saw, and there is the extraction kit for the planer. Managed to get a few things, but I'm just going to have to get used to. I've got all my timber up on the roof, so hopefully that doesn't fall on my head, which I don't think it should. So all in all, it's small, but I'm sure I'm going to have to make do with it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks very much now. Bye.